Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. So friends, in this video you will learn how to pay your insurance policy premium using Amazon application. At first you need to launch Amazon application. After launching Amazon application, you have to tap on the three horizontal bars which is located at top left corner, and then you need to tap on Amazon Pay. This is the Amazon Pay. You need to tap on Amazon Pay. After that, here you will see various options. Now just slide to check in which option it is available for pay premium insurance. See here, this is the insurance. Here you will use car insurance, bike insurance and insurance premium. So to pay your insurance policy premium, you need to tap on insurance premium. See here you need to select your insurer, that is the insurance company. See these are the insurance company. You can pay SBI life insurance, Tata AA life insurance, Max life insurance, IDBI Federal life insurance, ICICI Prudential life insurance, HDFC life insurance. So from the among list you need to select your insurer. In my case, in my insurer is HDFC life insurance. Say now you need to enter your policy number and then you need to enter your date of birth. So let's enter the policy number. And then you need to enter date of birth. And then you need to tap fetch premium. See here this option appears, due date and bill amount. That is the insurance premium. Due date is by 22 May and 2020 and insurance premium is 5,000 rupees. So to pay the insurance premium you have to tap on continue to pay. I have 53 Amazon Pay balance, I can use it. Now you need to tap on place order and pay. I can use Amazon Pay UPI since my account is linked with Amazon. So the after reduction 53 Amazon Pay balance, the amount will be 4,947. Just I need to tap on place order and pay. Now you need to enter your UPI pin. After entering the UPI pin, just tap on OK button. Thank you. Your request has been placed. See, so friends, in this way you can pay your insurance policy premium using Amazon Pay UPI application.